walk in the rain. It's raining outside. So there you go. It's nice. I know.
Oh man, look at that. Hold on. Hold on.
I don't even need the umbrella. And this is the Artrex umbrella. Still have it. I think we can swim now,
Maybe.
right?
Wait till that storm goes away a little bit.
Yeah. Maybe we can do the hot tub too,
Ooh.
right? It's nice.
Yep, we're not swimming yet.
Later. They'll stop. You know Florida. Okay. Oh, again. Oh, maybe we can visit our townhouse. Across the street, that's where we used to live. Oh, their townhouses. So maybe we can visit our townhouse. And I can show it to you guys. Let's go visit.
Might as well.
Yeah. We don't plan things. We just do it.
We just do it, yep.
It's better that way. Spontaneous, right?
Yep.
Just gotta cross the street. We just cross the street. And there you go. It's drizzling now. Oh, it's raining hard.
So they were coming in the wrong way?
I know. I was like, be careful.
This side.
And that's our neighbor. But we can use the gate, right?
Yep. Just keep an eye behind her.
Yeah.
You don't see it. But you know what?
Yeah, me too. Better to be safe than sorry. You gotta have the key. Oh, it's closing now. It's
Stop.
closing now. Oh, just right in time. Good.
It feels weird walking back.
I know. We live here for 5 years, right?
Yep.
From 2010 to 2015.
August.
We lived here for 5 years, and I love the pool here. It's big, clean, except you gotta pay the HOA. But at least they would do anything, like everything. Unlike our community, we gotta cut the grass. Oh, this is fun. Brings back the memories.
Yep.
Man, it's just so weird. I feel like I still live here.
Yeah, it's
Right?
it's different when I'm walking through here. It doesn't feel too strange.
I know. Okay, guys. I'm gonna show you where we used to live.
Oh.
In 3, 2, and 1. Man, I kind of missed it.
Yeah,
Right?
brings back memories.
Yeah.
And
All right, guys, we're back at our community. Oh. You want me to dance salak?
yeah. You're gonna fall over. You look like you're hurting yourself.
Nowadays, when they dance, they just elbow someone.
It's actually practicing for assaulting somebody.
I know how to dance. Like this. Can't travel. To work, and then tomorrow I have to work again.
I don't.
You COVID,
I don't have to.
can't even travel. Supposed to be our 10 years
Yeah.
anniversary. New Year's anniversary. So we can travel. We can't.
I get paid to do so.
We got a lot of PTO hours. We can't go anywhere. Just have to
I
work.
have so much PTO hours that within a month, I'm gonna have some of it cash back to me on my check.
Sometimes I just need a break. All we do is work, home, work, home.
Aww.
Dios mío.
You can dance to the sound of my foot squeaking.